Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a digital thermometer in Celsius. First, let's understand the basics. Digital thermometers offer a fast and precise way to measure body temperature, displaying results clearly on a small screen. They are versatile, suitable for various measurement sites like the mouth, armpit, or rectum. Before every use, it is essential to clean the thermometer thoroughly to maintain hygiene and ensure accurate readings. This simple step helps prevent the spread of germs and prepares your device for reliable performance. For an oral temperature reading, begin by placing the tip of the digital thermometer well under your tongue, towards the back of your mouth. Gently close your lips around the device, ensuring it remains securely in place. It is important to avoid biting down on the thermometer. Hold it steady and wait patiently for the device to beep, which typically takes between 10 and 20 seconds. This signal indicates that the measurement is complete and ready to be read. When taking an underarm temperature, place the thermometer tip directly in the center of the armpit and hold the arm firmly against the body. For a rectal reading, first lubricate the tip with petroleum jelly, then gently insert it about 1 to 2 centimeters into the rectum. In both cases, hold the thermometer in position until you hear the distinct beep. This sound confirms that the temperature has been successfully recorded, providing an accurate measurement for your needs. Once the thermometer beeps, carefully remove it and read the temperature displayed on the digital screen. The reading will be shown in Celsius. Remember, a typical normal body temperature is approximately 37 degrees Celsius. After each use, it is crucial to clean your thermometer. You can do this by washing the tip with soap and cool water, or by wiping it with rubbing alcohol. This ensures the device is hygienic and ready for its next use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.